Well, battled the traffic jam to, I think it's called Laniakea Beach. This is where I filmed the sea turtles my last trip out here. If you guys want to see that, just click on the link right here and I'll take you to it. But we struck out, there's no sea turtles out here today. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now some of you have been following me for a long time, may recognize this beach. We are going to go take some pictures of sea turtles. So guys, I'm sorry if the video quality changes a little bit. May have to switch over to my phone for this vlog. So I was charging my phone coming across the island, forgot to charge the GoPro as I was driving across the island. So anyhow, we're out here, I think it's called Laniakea Beach. Yeah, so I've already filmed here before. Click this link right here if you are interested in watching that video. But before you do that, make sure you click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So I can see a lot of people standing around in the same place I was at 2 years ago. I see the volunteers out there protecting the sea turtles. So before we see them, just remember, you have to stay 10 feet away from the sea turtles. The volunteers put out a little rope to show you about where you can go. That don't mean walk around the rope. That means stay behind it. It's to protect the turtles, and it is Hawaiian law that you stay at least 10 feet away from them. So, let's go see some sea turtles. So we're here enjoying a sea turtle right now. But, again, a few things to remember here. The volunteers do move this red rope around here. Don't go past that rope. Again, it's for the safety of the sea turtles. And nice thing about sea turtles, they photograph very well because a lot of times they just stay still. So a few tips here when you're doing wildlife. Try to focus in on the eye that's closest to you. And also look at the direction that the sea turtle's facing. You want to try and get more of the image in the direction that they're facing. Now I've got a rock right in front of the nose of the sea turtle, so it's kind of hard to follow that rule. But try to do that because you want the story having the direction that they're looking in. Oh, this one's starting to move around a little bit. Here, let's snap up a picture.
This place is a must-stop for animal lovers who visit Oahu. Parking can be a bit tricky, and definitely do not leave anything in sight in your car. Petty theft is a problem in this area. I've never had a problem, but I also don't leave anything in sight in my car. There's just something awesome about sea turtles, and I love coming out here to watch and photograph them.
So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to get closer down to the eye level of the animal. So I've got the tripod set up here in the sand, being careful not to actually let it get any sand in it. I'm going to lower it down even further here in just a minute after I get a few shots. And again, try and get a real low angle shot right at the eyes of the sea turtle.
Another great way to capture wildlife is to literally get down to their level and see the world as they see it.
Well, I was hoping to get another sea turtle come up out of the ocean, but it's not going to happen today. This footage you're seeing right now, if I can find it, is from my last trip when one did come up out of the water. Just remember, stay behind this red line. What the volunteers told me is it's actually to protect us because there's a lot of disease on those turtles, at least what would be a disease for us. And they see people come up, touch them, rub their eyes or nose, and then they get really sick from it. So for everyone's protection, stay behind the rope, and if they're not out here protecting them, stay at least 10 feet away is what the rule is. Well, got the drone out of the air just in the nick of time. It's starting to rain out here, so we're going to go head up the road. Local recommended some burger place we're going to try out before I head over to, hopefully I'll be able to hike Cocoa Head Crater tonight. So anyhow guys, if you enjoy travel and you need some tips on how to help pay for that travel, follow this channel, hit that subscribe button. Not only am I going to share with you my photography adventures, but I'm also going to share with you the tips I have on how to take epic photography and how to sell them on the internet to pay for that travel. So again, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see all of you in the next episode.
And just so you know, that local place is Teddy's Burgers and Tiki Bar, and it is so worth it.